so we're back for part 2. So one of the things when Barry Docks was decided and opened the first sod cut in November 1884, the biggest problem was actually having a train link to the valleys, and this was the one to break the monopoly of the Taff Vale Railway Company. So this was the Barry Railway Company that built this. Look at this cutting. Look how deep it is. Wow. So we've actually just come down there. That's the cutting, yeah. Yeah. So in other words, by getting this completely wrong, we've actually understood the area, and this is actually in the cutting. They cut all this out.
So is that a natural stream?
They would have needed drainage, yeah.
Yeah,
they would have needed drainage, yeah. And through this tunnel, they took the Barry. Part of Barry's water comes through this tunnel through a pipe, and when they decided to do this, it was opened in 1889.
Oh, that was the year my grandmother was born.
So what we're going to do, Rosamond, we're going to head down there, and we've got to get back to this point to go back at the bank to go home safely. So on the marks, get set, go. Let's just do it. So I do believe that dark thing in front is in fact the railway bridge, and we would not have got down to it. Well, follow me.
Okay.
It's a bit muddy.
A bit? Bloody hell, Carl.
Hang on. Oh shit. Yes.
Okay.
I'm stuck.
You need a hand.
Hang on. Displacement, wait. Right, okay. Right, so we can go along there. Do you know, yeah, we will. So obviously this got really bad, didn't it, so on your marks, get set, go. Here we go. I'm going to keep my eye to the ground, and I need to get across quite quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. We wouldn't have been, no, we wouldn't have found it. So we're going to follow this. Yes. So I would say it's about 200 yards away, 200 meters. Let's just keep going. Right. So as a bloody adventure goes.
Yeah, we needed a hacksaw.
We needed something.
Oh my god!
Oh, there's a little path. What's that?
We needed a scythe. You know, that's what they had, isn't it? The Grim Reaper.
A scythe, yes. So I'm gonna keep going. And we're gonna keep going down here. I'm being stung again by the nettles, but hey ho, what's new?
Because here.
Actually, I think it is. It's doing a lot of good.
If you've got a very good friend and you do suffer from arthritis, they say to lash that friend on the back with a nettle.
Put what on the back?
Lash with nettles.
Oh, right. So you need to, yeah.
About the,
whip yourself with nettles.
Is it? What's it? You
purge. You need to purge.
Yeah. Do you uric acid or something?
There, it's the tunnel there. I can see it. It's in front. That is the tunnel.
Oh, I can't wait to get there.
There we go. There's the tunnel. It's in front.
Oh my god! It is the tunnel.
Yes. Yes, it is. So now,
Eureka!
you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to.
Swim through the mud.
It's okay here. No, it's not. Follow on the bank. Right, okay, carry on. At least we made a pathway on the way back. So we're so close, Rosamond. Don't give up.
I'm coming up a bit. Right, let's roll. Look.
Bloody.
Here, Carl.
Yeah, okay, you've gone the easy way, all right? So we are nearly at the tunnel itself. What's that? There's Rosamond coming through the bushes. Jumanji land, yes. You know, I am, you know, my legs are really stung now. Claggy mud. If there's quicksand, at least we got a mobile phone. I can go down saying to Michelle, I love you, bye. Nice knowing you. Right, so here we go. At the tunnel. Where have you gone? I got a weird feeling, right? We have found the tunnel. There's the tunnel now. The valleys to through KARL-JAMES Cross Tunnel. There it is in front. You can see the curve. Brilliant. We found it. I wouldn't advise anyone coming down here. It's not the place to come. With children, and do you know what? I've seen so many images of this and photographs. It looks nothing like this. It looks absolutely nothing like this at all. You know, how you doing, Rosamond? Careful in the mud. This is like one of those weird films, you know, those films that you watch and it's just like suddenly you'll be submerged underground and you will die. And you know what, we're just going to go through now. I'm going to go, there's a tree, so I'm going to climb in the tree. There it is. And I'm going to do this. And there it is. Hopefully I'm not going to fall. Do you know what? If I brought my other better half, Michelle, with me, she would be swearing by now. And do you know what? Right. I do believe if I don't drown, Rosamond, I'm here, man. I'm at the gate. Oh my God! I'm actually here. Yes! I'm at the tunnel! Oggy, oggy, oggy! I'm actually at the tunnel now. This is the tunnel. And good. Look at that beautiful tunnel there. Opened in 1889. What's that? Rosamond's just gone over there somewhere. That's good, I'm glad she's going to be okay. Look at this now. We're actually in. And I'm going to wait for Rosamond a little bit. There's razor wire on the top. They obviously don't want people going in there. I don't know why. You coming down? Weird. We would have gone over the side. So what we've got a an identification marker there for the tunnel, which goes CTD323. So Rosamond's going to come down now, if she makes it. So this is great, we're here. Well, you look great. You look great. You look great. There you go.
Hoodie,
Bag, archaeology come with bag. Anyone wants an archaeology come with bag and a hoodie, just let me know.
masks available.
Masks available.
Also can be used as a headband.
That's even better. So Rosamond, what do you feel about our efforts?
Excellent.
Do you know what?
Good. Really well worth that.
Do you know what? Actually, there's a.
Can you see the other ends?
Yes, you can.
Wow.
Do you know what? I'm actually going to go in. Yeah. By you. Through there. So what we're going to do, I'm going to venture in. And I think it should be fine. I tell you what, Rosamond, if you when you're there, right?
Now go on
If you want to film that a minute while I just get my.
So, here we have the arch of the tunnel. There is a pathway down, somehow there. I will bring us back now. Here we are looking down, there's Karl, back over the path upon which we came.
That's the old line that we've just walked on.
Oh wow! Here, oh, it's gone off, Karl.
No, it's okay, keep filming. Are you filming?
So when you look at these stones, would they have been hacked by man?
Yes.
The bricks around the arch would have been made in the...
Everything's been quarried. Everything.
And somebody would have hacked these stones into shape, like a
Yes, they
stonemason.
Yes.
Um,
They used to bring gangs and navvies over from Ireland. They were perfect. You sort of film up on the top there, would be good. You sort of look at that bit.
Okay, going up to the top. There. And back down again. And here is the bottom. There is a bended archway to get through, which I believe Karl's going to do, and I might have a go myself. So you go through, and then I'll pass the camera to you. So Karl's making his entrance. Not for the more portly of us, shall I say. Whoa! It's sunk in there. Right, go for it. Let me pass you this, Karl, in case I take another tumble.
Right, okay. So we're actually in a tunnel now. I'm going to film Rosamond as she comes through. Oh God, you're not. Here we go. Well, okay. Yes, archaeology company hoodie. It fits through any hole, and you keep the label as well. Yes, loads of stuff. Supplies, issue torch. And I think what we need to do, we won't go too far.
Wow, can't we walk to the other end along that drain, along that pipe? Come out the other side.
Yeah.
What do you think?
We don't know where the fuck we're going to get to, do we?
Really silly.
Yeah, I think it might be really silly. Look at this.
Have I got a tiny little there in it?
That's okay.
So I think it's probably better to wear wellies when you come in. They give your legs a bit of protection.
Yeah, you also need trousers on.
Oh, I got a leggings, look. Purchased at Delhi Airport. I went to India last year. Fantastic.
Delhi Airport.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. How much they cost?
Not many rupees.
And look at this now as we're in. So we're not going to go all the way because we've no idea what this is like. So, Jesus Christ.
Ooh. Is it the tunnel of your dream, Carl?
No, it's not. Thank God for that. Oh, bloody hell if it is. I think the other end is the. That's why I don't want to go there. So look at that there. That's one of the safety embrasures. This pipe itself is the water pipe for Barry.
The actual water pipe for Barry?
One of the water pipes for Barry, yeah.
Look at that entrance. Would that have been an entrance?
No, basically this was a double track. This was to take two tracks. As I say, it closed on the 31st of March in 1963. It was opened in 1889. And there's a ventilation shaft further on down by Tesco's, but what you've got, basically what that was, when there was a train coming through, you could hide in there.
Oh, okay.
And,
it didn't give you much space to hide, did it?
and interestingly enough, when Cardiff was being bombed, and if the royal family were down here,
Yeah.
um,
What have we got on the wall here, Carl?
somebody done a ghost,
Guardian angel.
hopefully. There's another one of those embrasures on the other side.
So the royal family.
Oh, basically, when in the height of the war, when the royal family were coming down to South Wales, they couldn't go into Cardiff and sort of go into a hotel or anything. So the royal train would actually stay in here overnight.
Wow, that'd be cool, wouldn't it? In the heat of summer.
In the heat of summer, so the royal family is staying here at night, and obviously with the bombing, they would be safe. So basically, that's one of the markers on there, marker 2.
Is this the place to come?
If Armageddon come now, right? Where? Oh, there's gravel there. Hang on, stop a minute. We can't go any. We won't be able to go much further because you can hear water running. You hear that?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hear that rumble? That's almost like hearing a train coming, isn't it?
It is. So there's some of the original gravel on the right there. So what we'll do